Hello everyone, this is your girl Maggie. Welcome to another interesting hair braiding session. As you can see, I already have hair that is not in the pack, of course. This is crochet hair with the loop. It's a crochet hair with the loop. I bought this hair and actually did crochet with the hair. Take a look. This is what I did with the hair. I had this hair on for only 4 days and I had to take it out. Why? One, the color was too super red for me. Nobody's fault, mine totally. I didn't see very well. I thought it was a little bit toned down and the reddishness was very alarming for me. Secondly, the hair was already tangling after 3 days. So I said to myself, let's hair innovate. Yes, innovation with hair. Took out all the hair and this is exactly what I'm going to do with the hair. Now, this is the hair. I stretch it out to undo the loop. So I got the little loop holding thread. And then it is now hair ready for braiding. So I pat out some of my hair and I immediately start braiding with my hair as the third strand. Now, do not divide the red hair. If you do that, you're gonna destroy the pattern of the waviness and it's not gonna be nice. So I'm using my hair as the third strand and I start to braid immediately as I put the hair or the mesh on my hair. So after braiding like 4 times, I divide my hair among the red part. I divide my hair into 2 and then I begin to twist. That way I don't interrupt the pattern of the curls. And I preserve the curly nature of my crochet hair. I must say this was really quick thinking for me because I was like, what am I going to do to remedy this situation? And boom, that idea came out and I was able to run with it. Thank God. This is the end result. I totally love it. It's full yet very light. Oh my God, the wind is just blowing it. It's not tangling as it was before. And also the dark color of my hair has been able to tone down the redness of the hair, which is exactly what I wanted. It's easy to style. I mean, this was great hair innovation. So my advice to you is, if you have crochet hair, whether it has a loop or it doesn't have a loop, and you crochet your hair with it and it starts to tangle after a few days or within 1 week, please don't cut the hair out and throw. Hair innovates that crochet hair. Use it to braid, use it to do something like I have done. So guess what? When next I get into any hair shop and I see this particular hair, I'm buying it. Not to use it for crochet, but to use it for some nice and lovely twists, like you can see. So thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.